About this item, Ultimate Portrait Collection includes 20 gel colors to enhance your portrait photography, 1x each color, with multiple shades of brilliant blues, greens, purples, lavenders, pinks, reds, oranges, and yellows. There are no correction gels in this collection. Easy to use. Rogue gels are easy to use with the color and f/stop loss values printed on each gel. The white balance correction gels also include the Kelvin color correction and corresponding white balance reference printed on each gel. Compact, lightweight and durable, we make our Rogue Flash gels from Lee Filters UK lighting filter materials, a tough polyester film that will not tear. Unlike hard plastic gels that are relatively heavy and take up a lot of space in your bag, our Rogue Flash gels are small enough that you can easily slide the entire collection into your shirt pocket. A collection of 20 Rogue Round Flash gels weighs just 1.2 ounces, 35 g. Use with Rogue Flash magnetic light modifiers, requires 2 Rogue light modifiers, sold separately. Simply place Rogue gels between any 2 stackable magnetic modifiers, Rogue Flash Gel Lens, Rogue Flash Grid 45, or Rogue Flash Diffuser Dome. Round flash compatibility, gel diameter of 71.5 mm fits other round flash modifier systems. Compatible